In this video, I'm going to show you how to search flexible dates on Google Flights. First, go to the Google Flights website. Once you're on the home page, start by selecting the type of trip you want to book, either a round trip, one-way, or multi-city option. After that, enter your departure location in the first field, then choose your destination in the second field. Once you've filled in the locations, click on the Date field to open the calendar. After you click the Date field, you'll notice that under each available date, there are average prices listed. These give you a quick idea of the expected cost on each day. From here, you can select the date that best fits your budget and travel plans, and then click Done to confirm your date selection. After that, click on the Search button to proceed. Google Flights will now display a list of flight options available on your chosen dates. Scroll down to find the Date Grid option and click on it. This grid will provide a visual comparison of average prices across different combinations of departure and return dates, helping you see which combination offers the best value. For an even more detailed view, switch over to the Price Graph tab. As you move your cursor across the graph, you'll be able to see how prices change over the coming days. If you notice a particular day with a much lower price, you can click on that specific date to select it. Once you've picked the most affordable and suitable travel dates, click OK in the lower right side of your screen. The page will refresh and display all the flight options available for your newly selected dates, along with their prices. At this point, you can scroll through the list and choose the flight that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a flight, you'll be given options to book directly through the airline's website or through third-party booking platforms. And that's how you can search flexible dates on Google Flights.